In this video, I'll guide you through how to check keyboard shortcuts in Google Keep so you can move around your notes more quickly and work a lot more efficiently. We're going to keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to find every shortcut you need without having to guess or search through menus. Let's start from the beginning. First, open your web browser and go to keep.google.com. This will take you to the web version of Google Keep, which is where the keyboard shortcuts we're talking about are available. Make sure you're signed into the same Google account where you normally keep your notes, so what you see on screen matches what you actually use day to day. Once Google Keep has loaded and you can see your notes, click anywhere inside the page so that it's active. This is important because the keyboard shortcuts only work when Google Keep is the focused window or tab and your cursor isn't inside something like the browser's address bar. Now here's the key part. On your keyboard, press Shift and the question mark key at the same time. On most keyboards, that means holding down Shift and then pressing the key that has the slash and question mark on it. You should press both together, Shift plus question mark. You don't need to click anywhere special in Keep before you do this as long as the page is active. When you press Shift and question mark, a keyboard shortcuts panel will appear on top of your Google Keep screen. This panel lists all of the available keyboard shortcuts for Google Keep on the web. It's basically your built-in reference guide, so you don't have to memorize everything right away. Take a moment to look through this list. You'll see different shortcuts grouped by what they help you do, such as creating new notes, navigating between notes, archiving, or formatting. This is where you can start to spot the shortcuts that match how you personally like to work. For example, if you often create new notes, pin important ones, or archive old ones, pay special attention to the shortcuts that handle those actions. As you review the shortcuts, think about which ones will genuinely save you time. You don't need to learn every single one. Start with just a few that match your most common tasks. Then, when you're back on the main Keep screen, try them out right away so they stick in your memory. If the panel feels a bit overwhelming at first, that's totally normal. You can always bring it back up later with the same Shift plus question mark shortcut. Use it as a quick reminder whenever you forget something or want to learn a new shortcut. To close the keyboard shortcuts panel, simply click the close icon in the corner of the panel or press the escape key on your keyboard. You'll return to your notes, and from there you can immediately start using the shortcuts you just learned. By reviewing and slowly incorporating these keyboard shortcuts into your routine, you'll be able to navigate Google Keep, create and manage notes, and stay organized with far less clicking and much smoother workflows. Try using the shortcuts a little each day, and before long, they'll feel completely natural.